On September 7th, 2022, Apple unveiled the iPhone 14, an upgrade to the wildly popular iPhone 13. It's challenging to surpass one of the best smartphones of recent years, but there are undoubtedly enhancements that will appeal to customers more. It might be a better option for individuals wishing to upgrade from the iPhone 12 because the changes weren't as substantial as on the iPhone 14 Pro or iPhone 14 Pro Max. Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Tech. Today, we'll look at the new iPhone 14. The video is going to be amazing, so stick to the end. Before moving ahead, smash that like button and subscribe and ring the bell to never miss out on any of our videos. iPhone 14 price and availability. Given how similar the iPhone 14 appears to the iPhone 13, it should not be a surprise that the cost is the same, at least in the US, for the base 128GB model, $799. Pre-orders for the iPhone 14 begin on Friday, September 9th, and promotions for the device will be available starting on September 16th. Design, materials, and display. The iPhone 14 design hasn't changed much in terms of design aesthetics if you compare it with the iPhone 13. The noticeable difference is a little thicker camera bump and colors. Around 75.1mm by 146.7mm by 7.65mm of a 173-gram body are held together by a stylish aluminum band. Similar to the iPhone 13, the speaker grill, microphone, and button placement are the same. A larger power, sleep, and Siri buttons are on the right, and a slider for the volume below the larger capacity and sleep buttons are on the left. What may be the Lightning port's final act is located on the base between the speaker grill and microphone holes. Apple is under pressure from the European Union to switch to USB-C for its device ports by 2024, but it is sticking with Lightning for this model. Your old cables will all be happy. This is the first iPhone to use an all eSIM technology instead of a physical SIM slot. A smartphone without its instantly recognizable panel and the little hole for the special tool to pop out the SIM tray is surprising. The somewhat square camera array on the back is present and appears unaltered from the iPhone 13. Two 12MP cameras are current, one wide and the other ultra-wide. The iPhone's gorgeous new purple body color option from Apple may be the most interesting aspect of the device's design, given how similar so much of it is. Purple is indeed the it hue for this year's gadgets, with Apple following Samsung in using it for its Galaxy S22 range, Galaxy Z Flip 4, and Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. The 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display from the iPhone 13 has mostly been carried over to the iPhone 14. Yes, it still retains the notch, which houses the upgraded True Depth module with all the AR sensors and a 12MP camera. The resolution is still 2532 by 1170 pixels at 460 ppi. The screens are covered with ceramic shields which provide an extra layer of protection. The Pro models, iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max, have a new pill-shaped dynamic island instead of a notch. It is a fungible zone that holds the True Depth module and displays notifications and content in a seamless way. Cameras and battery life. The Apple iPhone 14 has three cameras, a 12MP wide camera, a 12MP ultra-wide camera, and a 12MP True Depth camera on the front. Apple claimed to have enhanced the main camera with a bigger 1.5 aperture and larger 1.9 meter pixels for improved low-light performance. The 12MP wide angle still looks the same. However, the front True Depth camera now has focusing capabilities. There's a brand new, highly powerful stabilization mode for video dubbed action mode. This enables the tape to digitally stabilize the image and adjust for roll using the entire sensor. The result is substantially smoother videos from what we've seen. A few new camera modes are also available. Cinematic mode may now record 4K at 30 and 24 frames per second. New action mode is also available, a kind of electronic gimbal that smooths out the jerky video by effectively smart cropping on the go. Apple has acknowledged that the iPhone 14 has the best battery life, despite never discussing battery size. That must mean at least 15 hours, but it may also imply a day or more of video watching. The phone still has MagSafe wireless charging capabilities, but it doesn't appear to have received any fast charging improvement. Performance and software. Apple's A15 Bionic chip, which is 1 year old, powers the iPhone 14. Although it's disappointing not to see the newest silicon, the A15 Bionic is still the leading mobile CPU in its field. Performance-wise, the 6-core CPU and 5-core GPU are no slouch across various tasks. Apple improved the thermal design in the iPhone 14 and 14 Plus, which may result in some battery and performance advantages. Emergency satellite communications and crash detection are two intriguing new capabilities in the iPhone 14 series that are in the base model. The phone has built-in satellite communication capability. As Apple said, they frequently manage a very low bandwidth connection by using the phone's built-in antenna and some strong algorithms. You have to be outside and have a clear view of the sky. It condenses text messages and provides some simple boilerplate communications so you can always deliver the fundamentals. Although the program offers a free trial of 2 years, you'll eventually have to pay. The amount is unknown though. The new lock screen is foremost among them. The lock screen, the first thing you see when you pick up your phone, or before the always-on display, serves as the iPhone's business card, proclaiming its intent to you and the rest of the world. It has a bold new style thanks to new typefaces and letter sizes, and the image segmentation that can overlay part of your image is a spectacular effect. The lock screen now has greater functionality because of the customizable widgets. Owners of the new iPhone 14 will discover improved notifications, no longer overwhelming the lock screen, and the capacity to use several lock screens, each with a unique focus setting. On the new maps, consumers can establish multi-stop instructions, update and retrieve text messages after they've been delivered, and take pictures straight from photos and put them into apps and communications. There are several aspects of the new platform to investigate, all of which could significantly alter how you use and view the iPhone 14. The new lock screen appeared extremely beautiful on the device we used to test it. The iPhone 14 series is 5G and debuts in a world with far more widespread, robust 5G coverage. This was all for today. I hope you liked the video. Let us know your opinion in the comments section below. Stay safe, and we will be right back soon as another video. For more awesome tech videos, subscribe and watch other videos from our channel. See you next time. Ciao!